What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Zanzibar, Tanzania. I arrived Sunday afternoon. I spent yesterday exploring, getting used to the place. It's very beautiful, as you can see by my face. I've been seeing the tropical sun. I will be posting reels. I love to make videos with my drone, with my camera. I posted a drone video on my story today on my Instagram, JAXX_IGC. I only have one account. It's in the description if you want to check it out. If you don't give two shits, then let's get into the update for BTC. We're sitting at 30.7K. We're up about 0.8 on the day. See a market cap of 516, 596 billion. 24-hour volume, 15.8 billion. It's good to be back. All right, so 4-hour chart. I think it's likely that this was the wave 3 impulse. As you can see from this wave 2 low, it looks like 5 waves up with the micro count in white and now pulling back. Now, if we break this B wave high at 31,067, then it's likely we're going to start to put in the wave 5. We do have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well as on the money flow. However, the trend line has been broken on the RSI. As you can see, we're trending down above that bearish trend line. So when that happens, that can signal that you are going to see a push to the upside. The money flow, there was a bearish D, but it already played out. So as I mentioned, if we break above 31K, higher likelihood you're going to push up in that wave 5. And I'll give you a target for that from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. And 618 target is about 33K. If we bounce from here, we're currently in a trade from about 27.5K. We had another trade with even lower entry, and our first take profit is 32K. So we're very, very close to our first take profit. You can receive my signals 30-day free trial for free. Just hang around to the end of the video. Now, if we fail to break that high, that means we're still going through the wave 4. Max retracement 28.8K. If that max retracement is broken, then I would consider this impulse to be complete. But as we can see so far, it just looks like 3 waves up. Daily chart. I mentioned this in the Discord. We had the bullish cross of the daily EMAs. So I think what the price is doing, it's consolidating, and it's allowing the EMAs to catch back up to the candles before seeing continuation. DXY pushed right up to our wave 2 pullback zone. We've seen a strong rejection. So if the DXY comes down and breaks this low at 101, that's confirmation, more confirmation that 3 is starting, and that will lead BTC to pushing up in that wave 5. However, if the DXY were to bounce, and this is an A, this is a B, this is a wave C, that will allow the price of BTC to come down further in this wave 4 pullback zone. So watch the DXY closely, because it will give you a strong sign of which way Bitcoin is going to go. If the DXY continues down, Bitcoin will push up in the 5. But if we see one more bounce for the DXY into this target zone, that's when you see BTC come a little bit deeper in this wave 4. I don't think this wave 4 will break, in my opinion. I do think we'll bounce from this zone and push up in the wave 5 to complete the wave 1. And then it will look like this: wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, boom, continuation. That's what I'm looking at. We are in 4 trades right now that are in some juicy profits. You can receive a 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bitget, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full length tutorials. Make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes, and then email me or sign up email, and I will give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays, Forex signals and analysis as well. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Make sure to smash that like button. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All links in the description. See you in the next video, and much love from Zanzibar. All right, take care.